Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Recovery mode is a separate boot environment on Android phones and tablets. It runs maintenance tools that do not boot the regular system. Use recovery to install updates, clear cache partitions, or perform a factory reset if the OS is unstable. Recovery mode does not load user apps or personal data during troubleshooting. Think of it as a small operating system focused only on repair tasks. Accessing recovery is safe when you follow commands and avoid wiping data unintentionally. Turn the device fully off before attempting any button combination. For many phones, press power and volume down at the same time to boot into a bootloader, then use volume up to enter recovery. Some models require power and volume up together while holding for 10 seconds to trigger recovery. Samsung devices may require power, volume up, and Bixby held together until the recovery screen appears. If physical buttons are damaged, open the power menu, or use ADB to reach recovery instead. If you have USB debugging enabled, connect the device to a computer using a USB cable. Run the command ADB reboot recovery to boot directly into recovery without pressing buttons. In stock Android recoveries, use the volume keys to move the selector and power to confirm selections. In custom recoveries, such as TWRP, use touch gestures to swipe and select options. After completing tasks, choose Reboot System Now to restart normally and return to regular Android operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.